Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to import Lightroom presets into Lightroom from Etsy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com. What you want to do is go ahead and open it up if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page where now we can get started. Once you open up the home page in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging into our accounts. If you do not already have an account, what you want to do is sign up for one, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So after logging in, now we can get started. This is going to be the home page where we can go ahead and access all our options that we have. We can take a look at the products, we can go ahead and enter in the shop manager to manage our store. And now let's go and take a look at how to find the Lightroom presets. Basically, you're going to use the search bar right here and search for Lightroom presets, what kind of you want to find. Basically, just search for Lightroom presets that you can find right here. So let's say you want to open up any of the ones right here. You can just click on them and it's going to enable you to open them up. So now we can get started. So basically, once you have found your Lightroom presets, now we can get started. You have to buy them. You have to buy them either depending later on. If you want to use them, you can add them to your cart, or you can buy it immediately right now and get the presets. So once you have bought them, then they're going to be available for you to download. Once you're downloading them guys, you're going to get the file. So after getting your file, after buying the presets, now we can get started. We can follow the steps right here in this article on Adobe, how do you get started migrating profiles from Lightroom Classic. Basically, you're going to open up Lightroom desktop and get started with migrating the updated presets. You're going to open up the presets option, and there you're going to go and import profiles and presets by going to the file option. So you can follow all the steps right here in this article to know how to import your presets. But basically, it's going to enable you to import the preset you have just bought from Etsy. You're going to go and be given the file, you'll be able to input into Lightroom, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.